Hello, Jai Shri Ram. So today what we're gonna do? We're gonna do stamping. मैंने इसमें वाइट बेस लगा रखा है. वी विल डू विद ब्लैक. मैंने मंडाला का ले रखा है. एंड आई ऑलरेडी केप्ट दिस दैट OPI का ब्लैक वन. द नंबर इज 7258 राइट. तो हम इसमें स्टैम्पिंग करेंगे. फिर उसके बाद वी विल पुट स्टोन्स. चले लेट्स. एंड दिस इज़ द फोर्थ टाइम आई एम ट्राइंग टू मेक दिस वीडियो बिकॉज किसी ना किसी कस्टमर का फ़ोन आ रहा है. तो फ्रॉम पास्ट 2 आवर आई एम ट्राइंग इट. आई होप दिस टाइम आई विल मेक इट. चलो फिर लेट्स स्टार्ट. Okay, so these are the things I have already kept, my stones, everything stamping. So let's scrap it. Okay, there it is, if you can see, and we will apply it like this. Okay, whatever is remaining, we're gonna apply it here. Okay, a bit is left over the side, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, done. There you go. I don't know if you can see. Yeah? Okay. Let's keep it for 10 seconds. Okay, इसके बाद let me clean my, and I have actually, as I already told you, I have my hands are not steady at all, so I'll drop something and all this. Clean your products the moment you use it. Don't keep it just like that. Just clean it, because once it is dirty and you will not clean it, it's like a mess then. When I'm like very emotional and I'm angry with the person, my person, what I do, I'll send him number of songs. I don't know if he hears it or not, but I send him because I'm angry, I'm emotional, and that is the only way I can show my emotion to him. So what we're gonna do, as I already told you, that I love to put my stones, blings, everything with top coat. I mean, if you use glue, it is much better. Maybe it takes for longer time, but for me, I think this is much and it sticks. It stays there only. It does not go anywhere. Okay, what we'll do, we will use this one, this bigger stone first, or we should go for that. Okay, what we'll do in the end, I'll keep all my stones. This such a beautiful stones I have. I don't know how to tell you, they are really beautiful. Mainu lehenga le de mehenga ja mar janiya inne paise de tu. Someday, maybe someday I'm gonna sing same song. Maybe if in case I lose some weight, because the way I have a weight, I don't think so that lehenga will suit me at all. It will start looking like a tent on me. Ah man, my man is really upset with my weight. The way I'm not reducing it, but I hope I'll reduce it now. I'll really try this time hard. Okay, so we're gonna go for these stones, the biggest one, then what, this smaller one. Don't fall please, as I am. If you guys will fall, they will think I don't know how to do it. So just don't fall apart. Sunaniya mainu lehenga le de mehenga ja mar janiya कितने पैसे दस तू कितने लेके जानिया मैनू महंगा ले दे महंगा मर जान. Am I out of time? No. Okay, one more. मर जानिया. Okay, see, it has started looking beautiful now. लिखता है मैं फीलिंग लेनी रहनी आ सारा दिन मैं मानक 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 कहनी आ मैंने पुछता नहीं मैं करे बोर हुई रहनी आ तू कंजूस है ते पूरा मक्खी चूस है नेचर तो निरा खड़ूस है वे कदे हंस लिया कर डूब जाने आ मैनू लहंगा सी आई एम सो सॉरी बिकॉज आई एम मुझे ना गाना सुन के ना आई गेट very excited. I don't know. I really get excited when I hear my and I feel I have the best collection. Though I know it might be wrong. Maybe there are many people who have better than me, but that's what I feel. I should not keep any kind of doubt like that. But what to do? And I'm so sorry because I sing and you have to hear my dirty voice again and again. So please forgive me for that. Okay, I have to push it. My mistake मुझे लगा अब करना चाहिए. I should have done it earlier actually. It's my mistake. If you don't do it, you don't do it actually. You have to do it with like sequence one on one. Don't put I thought I'll not put that one, but I didn't thought that I'm gonna put these smaller stone over here, but now I feel that I think I should not actually. I am oh gosh, it's a headache. I don't know why I do this mistake. I should not. So sad. I'm just wasting your guys time of you guys. I'm so sorry. But I thought it will look beautiful, but unfortunately it was looking really ugly. It was looking as if I'm trying to cover those stones, which are already looking beautiful. Okay, it's done. So we're gonna keep this for 60 seconds. Okay, you should see my pumpkin face once again. So when my person smiles, he gets wrinkle over the side, and it looks very good. It looks really good. I'm fascinated by that. So I mean, it's really too much I'm talking about him. I should not. Let's focus on our work. It's already 8 minutes. I have already consumed your 8 minutes. I'm so good at taking time. Okay, so it's done. I'll show you guys how good I am. See, that's it. You liked it? Subscribe it. Like it, subscribe it. Okay? If you like it, subscribe it, like it. If you don't like it, still subscribe it. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye. Jai Shri Ram.